This beautifully renovated home in Portland's coveted West Hills offers a rare balance of serenity, design, and everyday livability. Perfectly positioned just minutes from Washington Park and the Oregon Zoo, miles of trails in Forest Park, and the vibrant energy of downtown Portland, this location offers an exceptional connection to both nature and city life. Head inside where natural light pours through expansive windows. Vaulted ceilings and an open concept layout create a sense of volume and ease, ideal for both quiet living and effortless entertaining. At the heart of the home, the fully remodeled chef's kitchen with paneled Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances is both refined and functional. No detail is overlooked, with a butler's pantry, temperature-controlled wine cellar, and a striking 9-foot walnut island. Just beyond, the living and dining spaces flow seamlessly together, with a Juliet balcony framing the surrounding forest views. Designed for true main-level living, the primary suite is a peaceful retreat, thoughtfully positioned alongside the main living spaces for comfort and convenience. Downstairs, you'll find additional bedrooms, a remodeled full bath, and a reimagined laundry and mudroom. Adding to the home's versatility, an attached ADU with its own private entrance, kitchenette, and full bath offers flexible space for guests, multi-generational living, or a quiet home office. A West Hills retreat that brings together privacy, design, and effortless everyday living. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.